My Android cell phone plug, it just falls just almost out by itself, and it hardly even charges, and the phone is turned off. My Android cell phone plug, it just falls just almost out by itself, and it hardly even charges. So what I'm going to do is take a pin, and what happens is this gets all full of lint. Just very, very carefully. Oh, look at all that. So that's holding the plug out. So it doesn't want to stay in. Oh, there's a ton of it in there. Oh, sheesh. This phone's 2 years old. It's in my pocket most of the time. And I have never done this before. And the phone is turned off. Wow, there's a ton in there. I looked in there earlier with a flashlight and I could see some lip, and I'm like, oh, that, oh gosh, it keeps coming out. Looked in there with a flashlight, and I'm like, oh, there's some lint, that shouldn't be an issue. Well, turns out it could be a very big issue. It never ends. Wow. Amazing. I can still see some at this end. It's still coming out of there. Unbelievable. Let's see what the flashlight here. Well, better than it was. Let's try this plug. Oh, that's so much better. It actually went in and clicked. Oh, that's amazing.